If you're looking to combine original footage with AI, you need to check out Aleph 2.0 inside of Runway. Now, what exactly is Aleph 2.0? So Aleph is a new edit studio inside of Runway. It allows you to take your original footage, upload it, and from here you can manipulate that footage and create and combine AI aspects with the original footage to produce a whole new video. Let's jump into Runway and let's break down how to use Aleph 2.0. Okay, so first I want to show you what I am working with. So the other day I was at a park and they happen to have these trolls throughout the park, which I thought were really cool. So I was able to shoot some footage with the trolls, and here you see myself and I'm walking, posing in front of the one troll. This troll was just sleeping in the middle of the woods, which really looked great. And then I also shot a clip of just walking throughout the forest. So I thought this would be great footage to test out Aleph 2.0. So once again, we are inside of Runway. You're just going to go over to Edit Studio, and this is going to allow you to use Aleph 2.0. And then the first thing we need to do is upload our footage. So I'm going to start with some of that troll footage, and I'm going to start with this clip here of the mother troll sleeping in the woods. So let's open this, and you can see it is already starting to upload my footage, and it does this relatively fast. Okay, perfect. So the first thing you have to do is pick the frame that you think is going to work best with this tool. So generally you want to pick a frame where you see everything in your shot. So probably the widest shot that you have in the clip that you are using. So I'm going to just drag this, but honestly, I just do a simple wrap, so I don't need to pick a middle frame. I'm actually just going to go with the first frame. And I thought it would be cool to place this scene in a snow scene, right? So I am in the south and we don't get a lot of snow, so I thought it'd be really cool to see what these trolls would look like if they're lying there in a snowy forest. So we're just going to put in the caption, create a snow scene. A very simple caption, but I think it is going to allow it to take that image and really capture what I'm going for. So inside of Aleph 2.0, you can choose between a couple different image generators. So you can choose Nano Banana, GPT Image 2, or Runway's own Gen 4. I'm just going to leave this at Nano Banana Pro because I think that is going to give me the best results. And now we're just going to click on Generate Frame. And now my frame is going to start generating up here. And this is where you're going to see all your different generations when creating these videos. So if you look right here, I am actually in explore mode still. So I have unlimited credits, and this is really cool because I don't have to waste my credits when using Aleph 2.0. Now it does take a little bit longer for the images and videos to generate, but that's okay. I'm going to let this run, and I'm sure it'll be done in a couple of minutes. Okay, so now it's been a couple of minutes and you can see that I have a new photo up here, and this was the photo that was created with Nano Banana 2. So if I double click on this photo here, you can see it gives me a before and after, and I really like having this slider because you can see exactly what it did to your photo. And in my opinion, this looks absolutely incredible, right? Like, it removed a lot of the leaves that were on the trees, it added the snow, and the snow looks super realistic. And it also kept that morning sun look, right? So I still have some shadows here, and I'm really impressed with this photo that I was able to create in a couple of minutes using Nano Banana 2. And now that you have an image that you like, you can come down here, and if you want to give a little bit more direction to the video, you can add a little bit more motion. So for instance, if I wanted it to be heavy snow, I could add that here, or if I wanted to incorporate something else into the image, I could put that here in the motion tab. But for now, we're just going to click on generate and see what this image gives us. Now, while my video is generating, I thought I would bring up my Substack. Over at Substack, I am posting a lot of my prompts and workflow. So if you're into AI video creation, you're definitely going to want to check out my Substack. Okay, so our video is almost done here. I see we're at 97%. And if I click right here, this is where my video is going to load. And you can see my video did load. So now let me just play this back and we can see what this scene looks like. Awesome. So as you can see, it does have the exact motion that I had beforehand, and we have a little bit of snow falling, which really looks great and can really add to the scene here. So as you can see, we were able to take this clip here that I shot in the forest during the spring on a hot 80-degree day, and I was able to turn it into a winter wonderland using Aleph 2.0, and I think it looks absolutely great, and I'd be super happy to use this footage in a real life setting. Now I am going to download this video so I can use it for my final edit. So I'm going to just come up here and click on download MP4. One really cool thing is that they do allow you to create a GIF with this. So if you were just hoping to create a 3-4 second GIF, you could do that right inside of Runway, but we're going to download this as an MP4 file. Perfect. So now I want to start a new session with my next clip. So I'm going to come up here and click on new session. Now, something else I wanted to try was the multi-edit inside of Aleph 2.0. So if I upload here, I have this multi-shot clip and it just has all 3 of my clips combined. And I want to see how good of a job it does with trying to cut between all the different shots. So let's open that there and upload this. Now I only have 3 cuts in this video, but according to Runway, you are able to upload footage that is up to 10 cuts. So I am going to pick probably my first frame as, let's go with this image here of just the woods. So I'm going to put in a new prompt, and our prompt is going to be create a snow scene, just to keep it simple again. So let's run that. Now, if this works, this is extremely cool, because if you already have a little edit that has less than 10 cuts, you could upload that footage and you can apply that to all the clips already at once instead of uploading all the individual clips and combining it later in post. This is going to save you a lot of time if you've already edited something and you need to just change a couple of things inside of Aleph 2.0. Okay, cool. So now we have our new snow scene and you can see it looks great. If I come up here to the before and after, I love that it does keep all the sun in there and it does do a great job at removing a lot of the greenery and adding snow where it seems appropriate. So now I'm going to just click on generate video and we'll see what we get. Hopefully it does a great job at adding snow to all the different scenes that I was able to give it. Okay, so now that our video is complete, let's check this out to see what it looks like, and I'm pretty excited for this. So let's press play here. All right, not bad, not bad. Okay, the last shot isn't the greatest, but you can see it is kind of working. Honestly, I got much better results when I uploaded every individual clip and did it that way. But also when you are doing it that way, it is creating a new photo to reference every time. So for now, I'm probably just going to continue uploading single shots, but I'm sure this is going to get better by time after time. This is pretty funny. You can see though that the shot that I did use as my reference image is the exact shot. And honestly, I think if you were to do this in a setting that was all the same, right? So the background is the same and you're just cutting between a close-up, medium, and wide shot, I think it would work perfectly fine in Aleph 2.0. That's going to do it for today, guys. If you have any questions about Aleph 2.0 or Runway, please ask them in the comment section below. And if you are new to Runway and you're looking for a simple way to start using their workflows, definitely check out my video right here. You're gonna love it. I walk through some easy steps on how to get started with workflow. And if you are into this AI video content creation, I highly recommend you checking out my Substack. It's ColeBielecki.substack.com. Over there, I am sharing a lot of prompts and workflows. You're also gonna wanna follow me over on Instagram and TikTok, where I am sharing some more AI content. Also, please like and subscribe to my video because you know it helps my channel grow. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.